Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how to replace, on my case it's the earphones speaker on ZTE. Let me just show you what model is it. Okay, I'm gonna take off this cover. Okay, there you go, it's a ZTE Z828. So for this phone, so let's start. First, there is like some screws on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 13 screws that you're gonna be removing. So let's start. Yeah, this is one of those phones that not a lot of people has, but sometimes you have these problems on the speaker, or you cannot hear if someone is calling you, or you cannot hear the ringtone if somebody is calling. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Start by removing all the screws. If you have any SIM card, take it off as well. Yeah, I decided to do this video because there's not a lot of people on YouTube have done this, these phones before, and I know sometimes you have this phone and it's tricky to remove the case, get to the hardware parts. So I've decided to do it for my beloved people following me. Thank you so much. Okay, let's do it. Now that we, still another one right here. Okay, make sure all the screws are removed from the case. If you do have any memory card as well, take it off. Let's see right here. It looks like all the screws are gone. Now let's show you the tricky part. Where do you have to start from? There you go. So start from the corner right here, as you can see, and there you go. There you go, and you just keep going. There you go, just follow it. There you go. So just keep following, easy. It snaps. There you go. Boom. Use the phone. So now we're gonna be removing this part right here. It's the earphone speaker. The parts will look exactly like this one. Just receive it. You can buy it from eBay. It's not that expensive, probably around like $9. That's including shipping. You can check it on eBay or on Amazon. Okay, so the parts would look exactly like this one. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this plugins right here for the screen. So you just peel it, and then you can just take off these by itself. Okay, then we're gonna just snap this one right here. There you go. And there is a screw right here that we have to take off. see what else. We're gonna take off the camera cable, this one. Okay, right here another cable, that's the front camera, and we're gonna remove this one as well. Okay, since all of them, let me see. Okay, take this plug in. Right here. Okay, and then there is another screws on this side right here. We'll take off. Okay. Okay, we'll have to be careful. We're gonna take off the volume buttons, one right here and one on this side. This is up and down, the volume up and down, but be careful because it's connected with the motherboard. It's connected with the motherboard with this ribbon right here, so make sure you don't cut it. So we're just gonna go just easy only from the side. There you go. I don't know if you can see clearly, but I'll do my best. There you go. You see, just take it off by itself because it's attached. You see, it's attached to the motherboard. Be careful, if you cut that cable, it will be really hard to put it back. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna do the same thing for the power button. It's right here. So we're gonna just take it off really easy, slowly but surely. There you go. As you can see. All right, now we're gonna go ahead. There you go, easy. There you go. See? This is the motherboard. So by the way, if your motherboard doesn't work, you can do this method so you can replace your motherboard. For my case, the motherboard is fine, or if you're trying to replace the charging port, is the same thing. You just need to get this part, all of it, take it off, and then replace the new one. It's very easy. There is only 2 screws right here, and this is, by the way, is the vibrator. So if you want to remove it as well. Okay, for my case, this is the main part that I'm going to be replacing. I'm going to take it off and put a new one. Okay, this is the old part that doesn't work. Take it off and get the new one. Right here is the new one. Okay, let's see. Now we're gonna put everything back. This is the same thing. And by the way, this is if you're replacing the screen, you can do that as well. This is the screen ribbon. So we go back again. We can take off even the back screen until we finish. Okay, looks good. Start putting all the cables back until you hear the snap. There you go. Now it's the front camera. Okay, the screen. Easy until it snaps. If it doesn't fit perfect, you don't have to press it hard. Just like wiggle it a little bit and then until it's connected well. Okay, right here, the power button. Okay, here's the cable. Probably that's the cable for the antenna cable. Okay, so it looks like everything's connected. Still this one right here. Okay, now after we put all the cables back the way how it's supposed to, I'm gonna show you. So I just connected front camera, back camera, this one for the screen, this cable right here, put back the power button to the spot, and then volume up and down, connect this one right here and this cable. I think that's it. And then after that we're gonna put the screws back. There you go. Here's another screws all the way up by the screen cable. It's right here. Okay, now the next step, put back the cover, but we want to make sure that everything is working. So you just snap it. It snaps. Battery right here. Then we're gonna try to turn that on. Boom. So it's working. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos. If you have any question, leave the comments below. I always try to answer them immediately. So thank you guys. Subscribe, share the video. Thank you. See you soon.